Hi guys, so following up on my Genting run and walk around video, here is the driving review of the new Mitsubishi Triton. Okay, to recap some facts, the Triton here, 2.4 liter MIVEC turbo diesel, 181 PS, 430 Newton meters of torque, engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and well, it's a 4x4, and Mitsubishi's 4x4 system holds distinction for being a pretty unique setup. It is the only one in the market where you can engage 4H on tarmac. So all other 4x4 systems, right, what happens is when you engage 4H, the front and rear axles are locked together, okay, solidly locked together. So you can only use them on slippery tarmac, on like maybe heavy rain, or a skidding surface, or loose gravel, that kind of thing, where you are anticipating, where the surface actually allows some slippage with the tires. On dry tarmac, where the tires are properly gripping the terrain, you can't engage 4H, because what it means is that when the front and rear axle, for whatever reason, rotate at different speeds, the front and rear wheels, when they move at different speeds, you will cause you will cause very severe driveline damage. So Mitsubishi's solution is that they have a viscous coupling that separates the front and rear axle. So when you engage 4H, you can use it on tarmac. It allows the front and rear to turn at different speeds. But when there is also the option of what they call 4H lock. So 4H lock is basically the 4H in other pickup trucks, where you engage 4H lock, the front and rear locks together. It performs the same function as other pickups. That's it. So that perhaps, all right, for those of you guys who are 4x4 aficionados, this is a very interesting selling point of the Triton that no other competitor can offer. Okay, so but there is also the other appeal of the Triton, is that for all this while, all right, for even the past 2 generations of this model, the Triton has always been the pickup truck that gives you the most car-like driving experience. So you see, then there are fans of the Ford Ranger who will disagree, and what I have to say is I am pretty fond of the Ranger myself. Okay, I rate the Ranger pretty highly. I think it is a very advanced, very refined pickup truck that is also very capable on roads. But the chassis of the Ranger, it just lacks the fluidity that this Triton has. So the Triton is the pickup truck that it dances with you around corners, that you really can string, right, a few fast corners almost intuitively. And also, you'll be surprised, the chassis is actually pretty communicative. It gives you the confidence to push on when the situation allows it, and it gives you ample warning to tell you when to back off. So I mean, if you are looking to get anywhere in a hurry, really the Triton is one of the best pickup trucks to do so. The Ranger, yes, it is faster, it is more powerful on a straight line, and that 2-liter engine, 2-liter Puma engine, it really pulls. But I mean, if you are tackling winding roads, long winding roads, right, Karak Highway, the Triton is really your best choice. It is the pickup truck where you see a sweeping bend. You know, you instinctively know, right, to ease off just enough, right? Apply the weight transfer, get the front end to bite a little, and once you set yourself up, you can gun it with absolute confidence. So, I mean, where driving dynamics are concerned, to me, there is no contest. There really is no contest against the Triton. And in terms of technology, yeah, I would argue that the Ranger still has the edge in the segment, but the Triton here in Adventure X specification is not bad. I've got auto braking. I don't have adaptive cruise control, but I've got auto braking. I've got blind spot warning. I've got auto headlights. Sorry, I've got not auto headlights. Sorry, auto high beam. So when you are driving on a dark road, all right, when the car detects that there are no vehicles, no oncoming vehicles, no vehicles ahead, the car can automatically engage its high beam. So you got LED headlights, and oh yeah, you also got rear cross traffic alert. So a lot of things that 3 years ago, 4 years ago, you don't expect to see in a pickup truck, it's here in the Triton. So it is really, I mean, in terms of features, the Triton is extremely competitive. Now, of course, it's not cheap, all right? This price at 137,000 ringgit. Yeah, one of the more expensive variants out there, but really, you get what you pay for. You really get what you pay for. So the pickup truck segment in Malaysia, really, right, it is a very competitive segment. You've got a healthy array of choice, and what is interesting is that each of these choices offer something unique on the table that sufficiently differentiate themselves from the competition, that which is the better truck really boils down to your preferences and needs. So we of course have the Toyota Hilux and the Isuzu D-Max as what we call the safe choices. These are the trucks that are built to withstand and take a ton of abuse, right? Honestly, if I were to go on a journey into unknown territory, into rough terrain, into places where I need my truck to keep going and going and going, it is either the Hilux or the D-Max. If I'm looking for a workhorse, you know, something that I want to break down as less frequent as possible, no issues at all, I want a Hilux or the D-Max. If you are the type that, you know, you like you appreciate, you like advanced technology, all right, you like good design, you want good refinement, then of course we have the Ford Ranger. But really, if you want a pickup truck that you enjoy driving, that offers you properly fun, enjoyable dynamics, my God, man, it is the Triton. It really, to me, it is the Triton. No question.